Yo, need to log out of Snapchat fast? In just a few minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to sign out on iPhone or Android. Let's keep your account secure. First, grab your phone and open Snapchat. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Yep, that's your Bitmoji or picture. Now hit the gear icon in the top right to jump into settings. We're off to a great start. In settings, scroll down until you see log out. It's usually near the bottom. Tap it and you'll get a pop-up asking, "Are you sure?" No worries, just tap log out again. Boom, you're signed out and you'll land on the login screen. Check it. You're now on Snapchat's login screen, fully logged out. If you see an option to remove your account from the device, tap it for extra security, especially on shared phones. To test, try logging back in with your username and password. It'll work fine. Your account's safe and sound. That's it. You've logged out of Snapchat in seconds, keeping your account secure. Like this video for more app hacks, subscribe for weekly tech tips, and tell me, why do you log out of Snapchat? Drop it below. Stay safe, and I'll catch you next time.